9 Fruity Limes Facts. Lime varieties are much more varied than you may think. The Persian lime, Citrus latifolia, which is the most popular type of lime produced worldwide, was amusingly first cultivated extensively in Persia, now Iran. Key limes are also referred to as Mexican limes. Another well-known lime is the Kaffir lime, Citrus hystrix, which is usually often called a Kaffir lime rather than just a lime. Lime species are always evolving with other species. Within the category of limes, several species are continually mingling with one another to produce a growing number of new species. In actuality, most limes consumed worldwide are hybrids. Actually, limes and lemons are really different. I couldn't disagree more when people claim that lemons and limes may be used interchangeably in cooking. The truth is that while lemons and limes are both sour and acidic, that's about where the similarities end. While limes excel in applications where you truly need a strong sour, acidic sensation, lemons can be utilized more generally because they have a milder taste. Lime uses are seemingly limitless. Lime juice is frequently used in alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks as an enhancer or as the primary taste. The juice is widely used in meat marinades due to its acidity. Lime utilization once served as a British military trade secret. There was a problem that prevented sailors from spending very long stretches of time at sea back when the world's great nations still traveled the seas in ships with sails. This issue was scurvy, a sickness that had not yet been discovered but would gradually cause your body to disintegrate if you didn't consume enough vitamin C. By rationing out citrus to its sailors, the British Navy was able to combat this. They initially distributed lemons but eventually changed to limes. This was maintained a military secret since it provided them an advantage over the navies of other countries, whose sailors suffered from scurvy. Limes most likely originated in Southeast Asia. Although we are unsure, we do believe we know where the original limes originated. Some of the earliest limes discovered in the wild were in Southeast Asia, presumably coming from Indonesia. It is believed that Arabian traders took limes from India to Africa and some regions of the Mediterranean overland around 1000 AD, after which limes were first observed elsewhere in the world. Lime trees weren't discovered farther west until the 12th or 13th century, when crusaders coming home brought them. In fact, when ripe, several lime species appear yellow. Most people believe that limes are green and lemons are yellow. However, it appears that this isn't always the case. For instance, the Persian lime fully ripens when it turns yellow. It is therefore uncommon to find in markets since people often mistake it for lemons. Instead, the majority of commercial uses are for it. There's a shocking secret about a species of lime native to Australia. Citrus australasica, the Australian finger lime, doesn't have a particularly appealing appearance when it is picked from the tree. It measures between 2 and 3 inches, 5 and 7.5 centimeters, in length, is quite thin, and generally has a drab appearance. You'll discover something unexpected though once you cut it. Easy to remove from the skin are the tiny pearl-shaped vessels that contain lime juice. When placed on the tongue, they pop open just like caviar, releasing an almost overwhelming lemony lime flavor that can't be beaten. For this reason, they're referred to commonly as lime caviar. Limes are very healthy for you. Lime juice actually has a lot of health benefits in addition to helping to prevent scurvy. There are plenty of antioxidants in the juice and skin. Additionally, it has been shown that the Kaffir lime contains antibacterial characteristics that are particularly effective against E. coli, which is the organism that causes food poisoning most frequently.